How to add a blur effect to text in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page where you want to add the text blur effect. Next, click on the effects panel at the top left. Then under titles, drag a text plus or text element onto your timeline above your video clip. After placing the text on the timeline, select the text clip and open the inspector panel on the top right. Here you can type your desired text and adjust the font, size and position as needed. Now, right-click the text plus clip on the timeline and choose Open in Fusion page. Inside Fusion, you'll see a node graph with the media out mode connected to your text plus node. To add the blur, click on the text plus node, then add the blur node by pressing Shift plus space, typing blur and hitting enter. This places the blur node between the text plus and media out nodes. Make sure the nodes are properly connected. Select the blur node and in the inspector, choose filter like Gaussian, Box and more. Here I am choosing Gaussian blur. Now, increase the blur size with the sliders until you achieve the desired blur effect. You can preview it in the viewer and fine-tune the values to your liking. Once done, go back to the edit page and your text will now appear with the blur effect applied. And that's it. Now you know how to add a blur effect to text in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.